Okay, we're at the maze in Centerville. Michael's leading the way. Mike, where are we?
That one.
That one?
You there?
We see it? Do you know where we are? It's a hedge maze. I think we're gonna go around a circle here, Mike.
Hi here.
Hey, look at Daddy. What are we doing? Where are we? Where's Daniel? Mike, where's Daniel?
Oh no.
You don't know?
That one.
Huh? Which way?
Go there. Daniel?
Oh. I think we're going back the same way we came from.
Daniel? Why do?
Oh, dead end. Okay, let's go.
Okay.